we're gonna be doing a 20-piece set of press-on nails, and these are the nail tips I'm using, and I'm gonna be using 2 nails of each size. I'm gonna be placing them on the stands, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, just to move along a little bit faster on this video, I'm gonna go ahead and buff the nail tips, apply base gel, cure that for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished applying base gel. I'm using the brand Imeli from Amazon, and I cured that for 60 seconds. Okay, first we're gonna go with this color. I purchased these beautiful bottles on Temu. Look at these nice bottles. They're so big and nice. I can't believe they are from Temu. And the gel polishes are actually okay. They dry fine. So this is like a nude color. This is the name, M014. I think I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna keep monitoring the quality to see how they cure and everything, but so far I like them. And they have an interesting brush as well. So it's not completely square, it has like a round shape, see? So it's easier to apply around the cuticle area, but today it doesn't matter because I'm doing press-on, but when you're doing your own nails, that kind of brush is nice to have. Let me put the camera this way a little bit. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do this color. I'm gonna do 2 layers and cure each layer for 60 seconds. Wow, very beautiful color. You can almost just wear it by itself. Look how nice this gel polish look. Very nice for Temu. I think I'm gonna go buy the other colors that come in this set as well. They have multiple nude tones. So right now I have to apply black gel polish to use chrome. But before I do that, I have to remove the sticky layer, and I'm gonna do that with acetone because acetone is the fastest, easiest way to do that. I'm just gonna take a couple of these and remove the shine because I'm gonna be applying chrome in all the nails, on all the nails. So here is the acetone, and I know it's a little bit of hard work, but that's the way that you isolate chrome easier, at least for me. Because I see some people doing it with, what do you call it? With matte top coat, but the matte top coat is gonna add another layer to your nails and they're gonna become thicker. So this is the easiest way for me. So the chrome will only attach to the black gel polish that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna be doing this. Where are you going? I'm using Imeli chrome powder. I purchased it on Amazon. I have the other colors here, but to be honest, I used gold color the most. So this is just a nice shadow applicator that you can buy anywhere to apply the chrome. Here comes the moment of truth. Just rub it in there, make it nice and shiny. Now I'm going to brush it off and see. Yay, it works. I don't have any chrome around the nail, meaning that the wiping I did with acetone is enough. And the chrome will attach to black gel polish. Some black gel polish you just need to cure them for about 10 to 15 seconds, but this one particular here from Born Pretty, you have to cure it for the full 60 seconds, and the chrome will attach perfectly. Okay, let's do the other one, which is just like a wiggly frame around the nail. And you can go thicker lines or thinner lines around it. That's the beauty of this design. Okay, nice. Maybe put a little bit more here. I'm gonna start decorating the nails now. I'm using a rhinestone glue that I purchased on Shein. It's a non-wipe rhinestone glue, meaning that it doesn't have a sticky layer. This is a top coat that I purchased on Temu. It seems interesting to me on the website, so I decided to try. And it's a 15 ml bottle. The bottle is really nice. The top coat dries fine under the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Sometimes I do see some kind of pulling. Pulling means when the top coat tries to separate. What I did to fix that is just apply a little bit more extra than, not to go with a very thin layer, but more like a little bit of a thicker layer. I'm not sure if something that I have to do with my lamp application or it's actually the top coat that is like that. So once I finish applying the top coat, I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to place the nails on a press-on nail box for the display, and I'll show you the final results in a minute. And this is the final result for today. The nails came out really cute. I think I'm going to give away this nail set because it's a 20-piece set. Whoever I give it to, they don't even have to measure their nails because they're gonna have multiple sizes to choose from. I just wanna say thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, like, and comment if you like. And have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.